Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing well. So welcome to our YouTube channel Technical Ubaid. We are back again with a new video. So before starting the video, it's my request to make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel Technical Ubaid and also press the bell icon for our further updates. So basically in today's video, we will tell you about best AI website to create animation videos. So it's very easy way to make animation videos through this AI website. So again I am asking you that if you like the video, then please share this video with your friend and also leave a comment in comment sections. So now let's start the today's video. So you can also find this video on Facebook. So this video we will tell you how to make videos like this. So now let's start. So now first of all we simply need to come here on Google and search here wonderdynamics.ai. So you can see that here we have many animated options. We have multiple animated options, and the method to create an animated video is that we simply need to record our own human video. Then we can make our human video, then we can convert our human video into cartoonic video. So I will also show you a demo. Basically this website is a paid website. We can buy its package in $16, but I cannot buy the package of this website. I will just give you information about this website. So if you like it, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for our further updates. At the end, I will also show you how you can make professional videos. We simply need to mark the video where we want to add the animated part of the video. So if I try to add the animated part, they are asking to upgrade the package because this website is not free. They will charge $16 to make cartoonic videos, but if you can afford it, then this website is best for you. If you are a content creator, we can easily drag the cartoonic face here on our own human face. Then this human will be totally converted into a cartoon. The cartoon will adopt the human emotions, everything. So that's why this is the best website for all of you. So if you like the today's video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for our further updates. So see you in the next video. You can also find best quality content on our Facebook page. So please must follow our Facebook page, and thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.